So here is another question on sum of n terms of an AP. It is given if Sn denotes the sum of first n terms of an AP, then prove that S12 is equal to 3 into S8 minus S4, where S12 is the sum of first 12 terms, S8 is the sum of first 8 terms, S4 is the sum of first 4 terms. Okay, so here for this given AP, let's say A is the first term of the AP and D is the common difference. We know that the sum of first n terms of an AP, it is given by n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 d. Okay, here S12, it will be equal to 12 by 2 into 2a plus 12 minus 1 into d, which is equal to 6 into 2a plus 11d, which is equal to 12a plus 66d. That is equal to S12. This is the first relationship. Okay, S12 is equal to this much. Then we have is S8. S8 is 8 by 2 2a plus 8 minus 1 into d equal to 4. 2 by 8 by 2 is 4 into 2a plus 7d, which is equal to 8a plus 28d. Then we have S4, that is equal to 4 by 2 into 2a plus 4 minus 1 into d equal to 2. 4 by 2 is 2, this is 2a plus 3d, which is equal to 4a plus 12d. Now S8 minus S4, that is equal to 8a plus 28d minus 4a plus 12d, which is equal to 8a 28d minus 4a minus 12d. That is equal to 4a plus 4a plus how much? 28. Sorry, this is 4a plus 60. By mistake I have written here 12d. This is 4a plus 60. It's a mistake. This is 6d 60. Okay, so here it is 4a plus 60. Here also it is 4a plus 6d. So this becomes this 4a, this is minus 4a minus 60. So this is 4a plus 22d. Okay. Yes, 4a plus 22d. This is S8 minus S4. Now 3 into S8 minus S4, that is equal to 3 into 4a plus 22d, which is equal to 12a plus 66d. So here 3 into S8 minus S4 is equal to 12a plus 66d, and we have S12 is equal to how much? we calculated 12a plus 66d. Okay, so from these two we have that S12 is equal to 3 into S8 minus S4. Both are the same from 1 and 2. That is S12 is equal to 3 to S8 minus S4. Both are equal to 12a plus 66d. Here also 12a plus 66d. Here is also 12a plus 66d. Okay. So here is another question on sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression. It is given the ratio of the 11th term to the 18th term of an AP is 2:3. Find the ratio of the 5th term to the 21st term and also the ratio of the sum of the first 5 terms to the sum of the first 21 terms. Okay. So let's say for this arithmetic progression we have the first term A, common difference D. It is given the ratio of the 11th to the 18th term, that is equal to 2/3. So here, if you remember, the general nth term formula is equal to A plus n minus 1 D. So if we use the same formula, then that implies A plus 11 minus 1 D by A plus 18 minus 1 D, that is equal to 2/3. That implies A plus 10 D by A plus 17 D is equal to 2/3. So on cross multiplying we have 3 into A plus 10 D is equal to 2 into A plus 17 D. That implies 3A plus 30D is equal to 2A plus 34D. That implies 3A minus 2A is equal to 34D minus 30D. That implies A is equal to 4D. Okay, A is equal to 4D. This is the important relationship. The first term is 4 times the common difference. We have been asked to find out the ratio of the 5th term to the 21st term. So T5 by T21. So this is equal to A plus 5 minus 1D by A plus 21 minus 1D equal to A plus 4D by A plus 20D. So here we'll substitute A with 4D. So we have 4D plus 4D by 4D plus 20D. So equal to 8D by 24D. dt gets cancelled. This is 3, so this is equal to 1/3. So the ratio of the 5th term to the 21st term, that is equal to 1/3. This is the first part of the question which was asked. Then it has been asked to find out the ratio of the sum of the first 5 terms to the sum of the first 21 terms. Okay, S5 by S21. So if you remember, the sum of the first n terms, it is given by n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into t. So if we use the same formula here, this is equal to 5 by 2 to 2a plus 5 minus 1d by 21 by 2 into 2a plus 21 minus 1d. This is equal to 5 by 2, 2a plus 4d by 21 by 2, 2a plus 20d. So this is equal to here 5 by 2 into 2a. A is equal to how much? 4d. We derived the relationship between the first term and the common difference, that is a is equal to 4d. So here 2a will become 8d. Okay, so this will be 8d plus 4d, and this will become 21 by 2, 2a again 8d plus 20d. So 2 will get cancelled, so we have S5 by S21 equal to 5 into 12d by 21 into 28d. dd gets cancelled, so here we have 4, 8, 12, 3, so it's 7, 3, 21, 7, so we have 5 by 49. So the ratio of the fifth term, that is the sum of the first 5 terms, to the sum of the first 21 terms, that is equal to 5 by 49. This. So we found out the ratio of the fifth term to the 21st term, which is equal to this much, 1 by 3, T5 by T21, and the ratio of the sum of the first 5 terms to the sum of the first 21 terms, that is equal to 5 by 49. Okay,